Hi, I am Akshar, introducing Tejas Care Rugged device powered by a Qualcomm 625 high-speed SoC with a 2 GHz octa-core CPU and a dedicated GPU. Tejas Care Rugged is a cutting-edge IoT and artificial intelligence-enabled smart solution that provides a premium user experience with a high-end display interface and smooth communication. Tejas Care Rugged can be used in multiple industries like medical console, manufacturing industry, mining industry, transportation industry, education sector, smart city and home automation, corporate office, smart door access device, smart parking, surveying and many more areas. Tejas Care Rugged includes 4GB DDR3 RAM, 64GB EMMC storage and support up to 256GB SD card. Tejas Care Rugged can send vital alarms data to the cloud via the MQTT channel and has LTE Sim connectivity with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. The Tejas Care Rugged has Bluetooth connectivity, making it very easy to get data on the mobile device or any Bluetooth enabled sensor data into Tejas Care device and vice versa. It is designed in a compact size of 275.5 by 187.5 by 22 mm lightweight industrial HMI with 1000 gram and 10.1 inch IPS display. Tejas Care Rugged can work well with Android 10 operating system. It is built in with a high-strength Gorilla Glass touchscreen, strong and water resistance, 10.1 inch large screen having 1920 by 1200 resolution at 60 fps and smoother touch. It has a 10 points capacitive screen with G+G and anti-scratch glass. For a range of IoT and AI use cases, Tejas Care Rugged offers dual front 5 megapixel and back 13 megapixel autofocus camera with 120-degree field of view with high definition lens for various IoT and AI use cases. It has versatile specifications like 3.7 volt 8000 mAh battery, one USB 3.0, one Type-C port for data charging, one 3.5 mm headphone jack, one HDMI port, one SIM card slot, one SD card slot and 12 pogo pin port for multifunction including charging deck station. It supports multi-positioning navigations like GPS Global, Satellite Positioning System, Baidu Positioning System. Since Tejas Care Rugged can be tailored to match any embedded applications at the hardware and software levels, it is the ideal option for any IoT or AI-enabled application use cases. Check our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/TeksunMicroSys for more innovative solutions. Thank you.